Dearest Islamic brothers, Allah Azza wa Jal is carefree. We do not know His plans. So we should not be proud of our good deeds or of our knowledge, because we don't know what would be our condition or what is accepted in His court and what is not accepted in His court. Look at the condition of Shaitan. He worshipped Allah Azza wa Jal for thousands of years. And because of his hard work and ibadat and knowledge, he became Muallimul Malakut, a teacher of angels. And the pride destroyed him. He became kafir. Now he is trying his level best to mislead the people. He always keeps on whispering, putting fitna, but at the time of death he tries his level best to destroy the iman of the believers. It is reported that when person is in the condition, in the state of death, he is about to die, he is in naza', two shayateen come, one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side. The shaitan that is on the right hand side, he comes in the form of this person's father, and he says, "Oh my beloved son, I'm your loving father. I'm here to give you the best advice. You should adopt or take Christianity, because I have died before you and I know what is the truth, and that would take you on the path of salvation and you will be successful in the akhirah." And the shaitan on the left hand side comes in the form, in the face of the mother of that person. She comes and she says with loveful words, "Oh my beloved son, I kept you in my stomach for 9 months. I gave you my milk to bring you up. I made you play in my laps, and I brought you up with so much of love and tender and care. And I advise you, become Christian or Jew, because these are the right religions. Leave Islam." Dearest Islamic brothers, this is indeed a very worrying situation. When a person is suffering with fever or with headache, even at that time it is difficult for him to make a decision. Now at the time of naza', at the time of when a person is about to die, the pain is even more severe. It is mentioned in Sharh al-Sudur that if one drop of the pain of death is put on the people of dunya, then every person in the dunya would die. Now imagine in this situation, when the person is in so much pain, shaitan comes in the form of father and in the form of mother. The person is so confused already. So they come and destroy the iman of the person. Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Darda radiyallahu ta'ala anhu reports that by Allah, no person should be satisfied from this fact that his iman would remain safe and sound at the time of death, because we have no guarantee. We don't know what is going to happen. Therefore, we must be very worried about it. And he comes in the forms of friends as well, the people that we are close by, people that we love. He changes so many forms to come and mislead us at the time of death. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect our iman. Dearest Islamic brothers, Alhamdulillah, in the environment of Dawat-e-Islami, this thought is given, and a serious preparation is made for the hereafter, and an effort is put to remove those activities from our characters which lead towards the bad ending. So wherever you might be in the world, make yourself available for the functions of Dawat-e-Islami, for the ijtima's of Dawat-e-Islami. Travel in Madni qafilas of Dawat-e-Islami, and be in this beautiful Sunnah-inspired environment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take us with Iman from this dunya. Ameen bijahin Nabi al-Ameen sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.